Today we're going to be looking at another Z80 microsystem, and that is the MicroBeast. The MicroBeast is another Z80 single board computer, this one comprising of an integrated keyboard, a display and a case into which everything will fit. The system is well documented and comes with its own wiki. The wiki page is an excellent source of technical information for the MicroBeast, containing information on the build guide and the user manual, as well as the architecture of the system. So without further ado, let's do an unboxing of the MicroBeast and see what comes in a package. And this is the MicroBeast box. If we open this up, we will first of all come across some documentation. This large colour printed sheet covers things like build instructions, the component guide, the architecture, the parts list and a layout of the board itself. On the other side, we have schematics of the CPU, the GPIO, the keyboard, display, page registers and the memory. All in all, some very good documentation. We also have a parts packing list and the components themselves in numbered packets. Resistors, switches, edge connectors, and a large bag full of keycaps and keyboard switches. The anti-static packaging containing our sockets and the displays and all the chips. Additionally, we have filters for the LCD display. There are in fact two of these, one of which is a spare. We have crystals. We have a keyboard frame which goes on top of the keyboard. We have keyboard decals. More components, in this case capacitors. And at the bottom we have the PCB itself. If you've worked on PCBs for RC 2014 systems, you'll find this a larger PCB. It also has a couple of pre-soldered surface mount components and smaller components already put in place for you, including the USB 3 socket. It's obviously larger as it has an integrated keyboard with full-size keys. A very well laid out circuit board. What we'll be covering in the next few videos is the assembly of this single board computer. Of interest to those of you who've used RC 2014 systems before, it does actually have an edge connector which supports the RC 2014 bus. This should enable us to use some of the RC 2014 cards in this slot. All in all, this seems to be a well laid out system, and I look forward to putting it together over the next few weeks. However, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.